Sasisian pot ngi pinasum bhai phi baro shakanika channel kajungi but ngi kerman ba baro phi shat phi khlainut kan mau ban subscribe ya kanika channel but turn on your notification bell ru khanang ba phinum do yaki videos kiwingi upload lada kumno phi kom ya like yaki video lani phim ju yo yaki notifications hapo ka YouTube phila ban follow ru ingi hapo ka Instagram account namar ha Instagram ngi ship pente bai malaka por lada ngi lada ban pelai ya ka video ka bathamai Yagi nigi post apalai daka State Bank of India dan nika SBI mentau benai arajar arpuar. Kakatang jeng nika post kari SBI clerk junior associate. Kelas D dan nika tarik bakado apilawan sami yiki applications kari hau arpunyu tarik benai September arajar arpuar. Kani ka post SBI clerk kelaj hadu san hajar sauspa prapundru teligi post keleng kari kumbala ai hang ni hapo haki niki state but haki northeastern states kilong kumne ha Assam arspa san prat ligi post ha Arunachal Pradesh khatsan ligi post Manipur ar prat ligi post Meghalaya ar pholai ligi post Mizoram shpot ligi post Nagaland khatsan ligi post but Tripura shpot ligi post Yaki schedule caste, schedule tribes, but yaki other backward classes kadan hado arspa south liki vacancies. Yaki PWD candidates kadan khandai po art liki vacancies, but yaki ex-servicemen shispa prapo art liki vacancies. Ka age limit lani ka karta ka beredo kadai art hosnam, but ka bahaya do kadai art prasnam. Kandan ka upper age relaxation hado licenam yaki other backward classes, sansnam yaki schedule caste but yaki schedule tribes, but shposnam yaki PWD candidates. Ka salary lani ka tulab kadai kat khandai hajar khandai spa. Ke educational qualification kalangkum ni pelade ban pendap ya ka graduation hagono ka discipline naka recognized university but yigitu ki candidates ki badan ya ka integrated dual degree lani ki IDD certificates pelade ban tikna ban pass shwa lani haka life track banai November arajar apoar ki candidates ki badan ro haka final year lani semester jongka graduation pela ban shu apply provisionally but lada psha select provisionally pihak ban pen ya ka proof ba pelada pass ya ka graduation examination shwa lani haka life track banai November arajar apoar Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi buku ban apply ke nika post pihak ban register ilade online link ba ke nika bank website kepada ke https://bank.sbi careers lani nak website www.sbi.co.in/careers recruitment of junior associates 2022 ya ka online registration jangka application bat ka payment jangki fees kan sedang nado ka nyau tarik benai September hadok ka arpunyo trek benai September arajar apuar yaki schedule caste schedule tribes ba yaki PWD candidates mendan kam COEA ka official notification lani ka official advertisement ka bala apply hi dengan ka SBI ngala ai po description jaka ni video te philaban download pat philaban pulih hi lada phikaban tip shusho chpang kiwi patki details